Welcome back. So today I want to go over some of the best deals I've found at Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Amazon with the theme of mechanics tool sets. We'll be able to compare the prices and then a few other tool deals that I found. That being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So first we have at Harbor Freight, this is going on through their parking lot sale. So this ends June 9th, Sunday. So we have the PITTSBURGH Mechanics Tool Set, 225 piece. It's on sale right now for $99.99, save $40. It's a 225 piece set. Of course, comes with all the fixings. Comes complete with 3 ratchets, 115 sockets, plus a full assortment of accessories packed in a rugged case. This is the 225 piece PITTSBURGH Mechanics Tool Set. This next one is also a PITTSBURGH tool set. This is the 301 piece. So this also ends at their June 9th parking lot sale, which is actually going on right now. $169.99, save $30. And this is a 301 piece set. So let's see what this includes. It has adjustable wrenches, pliers, sockets and SAE, metric measurements as well, constructed durable chrome vanadium. Mechanics tool set is built to last. Custom storage, fully polished, 158 SAE and metric socket, 48 SAE and metric bit sockets, 24 screwdrivers, 3 pliers, 10 SAE, 10 SAE metric combination wrenches, 42 SAE metric hexes. So again, this also comes with even more fixings and more trimmings. $169.99, save $30, 301 piece mechanics tool set at Harbor Freight. Jumping into Lowe's, here we have the CRAFTSMAN 256 piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with hard case. This is $99, save $70. This says it ends July 31st, so you have some time for this one. 1/4 inch, 3 inch, and 1/2 inch drive mechanics tool set. Low profile 72 tooth ratchets, full polished chrome finish, 2 drawer box. Drawer bumps help keep drawers in place. Includes 65 standard sockets, 21 deep sockets, 28 long hex keys, 16 short arm hexes, 12 nuts. So this also has the fixings, and they're promoting a 25% thinner head to be able to get into tighter spaces, old versus new. So this is, again, at Lowe's, 256 piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with hard case, $99, save $70. Also at Lowe's, we have the Kobalt 277 piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with hard case, also $99. This one you're saving $80. And I'm pretty sure, just like the rest, this comes with all the trimmings and all the fixing. 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch drives, Pro 90 tooth ratchet, quick release, has, well, let's just take a little zoom in here of this. Can we get a clearer picture? Can't really read that. So it shows here, it's a little blurry. I'm going to do my best to AI read it. So it's 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch, 43 6-point sockets. You have 36 12-point sockets. Looks like they break it down by 3/8, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch. Then you have 6-point deep sockets, 15 1/4 inch, 36 bit driver sockets, 3 extensions, 6 inch, 3 inch, 1.5 inch nut drivers, 12 stubby wrenches, 8 some mini L wrenches, and a screwdriver hex pick set. Anyways, the fixings: 277 piece standard SAE metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with hard case, $80 off, $99, and a nice case to go with it. So far some good deals, but we have the one now here at Home Depot. This is the Husky mechanics tool set, 270 piece. How they come up with the exact piece range, I don't know, but there is a sweet spot here, it looks like. Either way, here we have the Husky mechanics tool set, 270 piece, $99, save $100, so it's 50% off. It comes with the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive tools, 72 teeth, and 5-degree arc swing. Includes 117 sockets, 8 combo wrenches, 3 extensions, 142 more tools, hard storage case included with trays marked by drive size. Allegedly a $695 value. Durable storage, 3 ratchets, a lot clearer advertisement. 65 standard sockets, 24 deep sockets, 28 bit sockets, 5 adapters and extensions, 8 wrenches, 5 adapters and extensions, 8 wrenches, and 137 other tools. So food for thought when it comes to mechanics tool sets. This one is $99, Husky, 270 piece, $100 off at Home Depot. And then coming back down to earth, we have the Stanley 4-way pen screwdriver, $249. Simple tool, probably something that's nice to just have a few lying around the house. Let's see, includes 2 double-ended bits, 5/32 inch, 1/8 inch, 0 and 1 point. It's just a pocket tool, magnetic bit tips, and this has been at this price, I think, at least from what I saw, for a bit, but for $249, it's considerable. And keep going, and here we have the Milwaukee 1000 volt insulated screwdriver set, 3-piece. Milwaukee, of course, it's $16.97, save 32%. They do have some decent ones at Harbor Freight. Maybe a little bit cheaper, similar price, but this is Milwaukee. We're doing some electric work. I trust myself with some Harbor Freight tools for $5, but if you get a deal on the Milwaukee ones, why not? Again, 1000 volt insulated screwdriver set, 3-piece, $16.97, 32% off. And then moving on to Amazon. Here we have the Klein Tools 3233 HD impact driver set, 20-in-1 impact rated sockets and screwdriver tool with Phillips slotted square and Torx tips. This is 25% off, $29.98. Best price right now. Klein Tools. Yeah, they're super solid. So, and then number 9, not that I've been keeping count, Gateway Safety 461M UL certified StarLite safety glasses, red mirror lens, gray temple, pack of 10. So 10 pack for $13.25. Best price on Amazon, 39% off, $1.33 per count. And I want to say most of these down here, not all of them, but most of these are at their best price. And I want to say if they're $13.25, they're all packs of 10s. So to your liking, to your style, you can get yourself some nice safety glasses. Being safe is cool. And we continue on. Last but not least, we have this CRAFTSMAN Versastack mechanics tool set, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive, 71 piece, so not 270 pieces, but with a discount to match. So 71 piece, it's $49.98, 29% off, and you get yourself a nice quality little mechanics tool set, 72 tooth low profile ratchet. Comes with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch ratchets, SAE and metric. If I have this right, some of these CRAFTSMAN are made in Taiwan, which is always a good thing in my book. And with that, those are the deals I have for today. Links will all be in the description, so you can go ahead and find everything. If you found this helpful or you're able to save $1 or $2, please consider liking and or subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'll look out for some more deals, and as soon as I find them, I will send them your way.